So here's the app. It's called Wi-Fi phone calls and text SMS. So yeah, let's just try get to install it. So unlimited Wi-Fi calls without limits, endless text messaging, global unlimited calls, international text and calls, secure local numbers, endless app-to-app calls. It's quite a popular app in this category, and then yeah, you can just open it up, and yeah, you can have a lot of features. So pretty cool app. So then yeah, you can just buy private number, and then you can have some free trials in here. So there is slides, there is pros, so you can see in here. So there is a free trial, so access all features today. In 2 days, in 3 days you will be charged unless you cancel anytime before. And then yeah, you can just try one of those plans. So yearly $100, monthly 120, and there is lifetime for 150. And then there is pro plan, where you just have it in here, and there is a free trial. So that's basically the idea. Yeah, unfortunately this app is not available for free at all. So here, if you try 3-day free trial, so there is 3-day free trial and then $100 per year. So that's basically the idea. But yeah, that's what you have. Still the app quite high in the charts, and yeah, so there you have it.